Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Let's take a look at the Ethereum to Tether at Zondacrypto on Wednesday, February 14th, 2024. As you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart and Japanese candlesticks, and what I would like to point out straight on is that we have a new yearly high on the Ethereum at the level of 2762. So we beat and broken the last swing high located at 2720. So this one will not now act as the local technical support. Of course, there's one more level here, 2658. This one will act as the technical support as well. So the situation here on the Ethereum to Tether is very special because it looks like when we zoom out, then this whole movement to the upside, it looks rather bullish, of course, and it looks rather impulsive. So it's not only bullish, but it's as well impulsive. If we take into the account the last swing down, okay, and apply Fibonacci retracement to the last swing down, you can see how much we retraced already. So if we place our Fibonacci's somewhere around let's say here, from the extreme levels, from the extreme high to the extreme low, okay, that's the other way around. So this is it, and the other way around is here, so that's the extreme high. You can see that 61% was violated already because it was at 2556, and now we are approaching 78% of the Fibonacci retracement located exactly at the level of 3000 tethers. But the 78% Fibonacci retracement is not very popular among the traders. Is being considered as the weak level. Nevertheless, for all of you who trade this, let's just place it here at the level of the, let's say, 3000. So that's not going to be a major problem for me. Now, all of this Fibonacci level are broken. What's the conclusion? Its conclusion is that this is completely new cycle. This is new cycle to the upside that will most likely hit the highs at 3569, because this is the next target for the boost. This is the next historical target for the boost from the technical perspective, of course, right? So let me just apply one more thing here to our chart. Let me just apply the parallel channel, so you can see that we are moving beautifully inside of this channel. Of course, we are going to use the extreme levels, right? So if we're going to use the extreme levels, our channel might look like this. Let me just move it a little bit, let's say here, and as you can see, we are trading just at the very just close to the upper channel line, right? So this is the upper range of this channel, and we need a break out of this channel to confirm the bullish dominance all over the place. So that's the other thing. Now, moving averages, we are going to use, of course, the moving averages cross. We are going to set it on the longer period, so 200 and 100, very popular. As you can see, golden cross was already placed here on the 11th of the December 2023. Since then, we are still moving up higher and higher we go. Another tool we can use is the indicator called Awesome Oscillator, and this Awesome Oscillator will show you that the momentum here from this swing low, which was in 2022, right? So this is the low of the 2022. The momentum here was one of the biggest one in this period, in the end of the 2024, basically for this last 2 months, and it's still above the level of 0, which means eventually that this market still has the power, still has the potential to move even higher. And the RSI, if we take the relative strength index, let me just apply the RSI. This one is not really necessary. The RSI is strong as well, just touching the level of the 70, which is of course the extremely overbought level. So anything above this would beg for a pullback or a correction on the Ethereum. Nevertheless, very nice movement from the lows of 2,200 and 2,150 that were made in the end of the January. Very nice rebound, very strong momentum. This market looks very, very bullish. So please stay focused, stay vigilant, because it looks like if we will not definitely be rejected from the upper channel line right now, right here, and reverse significantly towards, for example, the level of 2,142, right? If this will not happen, then the market can burst higher like no tomorrow. So please stay tuned, stay vigilant. It looks like this kind of a scenario is more and more probable. We just need another confirmation from the market. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.